Join me for another full body workout. Great for women 50 years old and over. Hi, my name is Annie. Welcome back to my channel, Annie Pilates Physical Therapist. In this video, as you requested, most of you, for another amazing quick body workout to activate your whole body, this time utilizing a kettlebell. And this is going to be a combination of Pilates yoga as well as physical therapy, especially if you have back pain. So get your mat ready and a kettlebell to join me today. Okay, my friends, place your hands on your side of your hips. I'm going to start shifting our body weight left and right to open your hip groin area. As you inhale, exhale, switch. Breathe in through your nose as you switch again to the right and then left. Feel your hips warming up as well as your knees all the way to the ankle. Making sure your body weight is really leaning away where you're bending your knee as much as you can. Inhale. Exhale. 4 more. Feel that gentle release on your hip groin. And this area gets really tight if you sit a lot. And this is a great way to warm it up slowly without hurting your hips. Last set. And then we are progressing. As you shift your body weight to the right, you're going to slowly lean further down. Lift your left arm overhead and reach. Open your rib cage on your left as you take a deep breath in. Exhale back center and shift to the other side. Lift your right arm as you shift your body weight to the left. Inhale. Exhale. 4 more. Feels so good to warm up even your shoulders and your rib cage. Lean open with your breathing. 2 more. Last set. And down. Well done. Now, open your feet further apart, toes diagonally facing the side of the mat. And we're going to do a gentle plie. Lower your knees down. Keep your pelvis tucked in. Try to tuck it in to protect your back. Try not to hyperextend your low back. As you go down, utilizing your knee. Inhale. Lift your hands overhead. Look up. Breathe in. As you extend your knees, you're slowly lowering your hands to your side to starting position and breathe out. Inhale as you lower your knees to plie. Keep your pelvis in, tuck in. Breathe in. You're going to feel that stretch on your hip groin. Exhale up. 4 more. Inhale. Exhale. 3 more. Lower down as much as you can. 2 more. Feels so good on your back, your shoulders. Last one. And then slowly interlock your fingers, place it behind your head. As you slowly turn your body to the right, trunk twist, hold that plie. To the right and then to the left. Inhale. Exhale. 2 more. Feel the burn on your thighs. Last one. And now we're gonna lean your elbow towards your right knee. As you open that left side, look up. As you point your elbow, left elbow pointing to the ceiling and right elbow towards your right knee. And then back center, exhale. Inhale as you shift to the left side this time. Left elbow down to your left knee. Right elbow pointing to the ceiling. Inhale. Exhale center. 2 more. Hold that plie. We're almost done. You're going to feel the burn. Last one. And last one to the other side. And extend your knee. Reach out. Palms up. Pull your shoulders back and rotate. Shoulder rotation back. Breathe in. Breathe out. Squeeze your core in. Soften your knees a little bit. If you like to engage your quads instead of locking your knees. Pull back, elbow straight, palms up. Stretch those nerves and muscles of your neck and shoulders. Now hold that palms up and then turn your neck and lean your head to the right and then to the left. Feel that lovely stretch on your neck muscles as you lean, tilt, and left. As you breathe in, breathe out. Ticks and clicks of your neck. And now rotation, turn around your neck. Get your balance, don't get dizzy. I know you might feel it a bit off. Hold your feet down to the mat. And then reverse circle. Slow and steady. Last circle. You might feel woozy. Make sure you have something to hold on. And down. Slowly reach for the kettlebell in front of you. Bend your knees. Keep your tuck chin, hip in, curl in. Try not to hyperextend your back. Glutes activated. And then slowly lift the kettlebell and extend your knee. So we're going to do a sumo squat. Slowly bend your knee, slowly lower it down. Keep your back engaged. So I'm pulling my shoulders back. Keeping my core engaged, pulling my belly button to my spine as I lower it down. Inhale, exhale, extend. 4 more. 3, 2, and 1. And this time I'm gonna add by pulling and lifting the kettlebell to your chest, elbows level to your shoulder. Breathe in. And then as you lower the kettlebell, you extend your knees to full extension and breathe out. As you slowly plie, lower your knees down, you're gonna slowly lift the kettlebell to your chest, keeping your elbows level to your shoulder. Inhale, exhale up. 4 more. Breathe in, breathe out. 3 more. 2 and 1. And slowly place your feet together. And now we're gonna do some deadlift position. I'm gonna do side lying so you can see how to do proper deadlift. Soften your knee. We're gonna glute dominance this time. So bend your knees a little bit more. You're gonna slowly slide the kettlebell down, chin tuck. Engage your upper back. Try not to hyperextend your back. Squeeze your core in as you slowly lower down all the way down to the floor. I'm pulling my buttocks out. It's like someone's pulling my butt back, and I'm really shifting my body weight on my heels and my toes really planted down, especially my big toes down to the mat to grab it tight as I slowly lower down. Chin tuck, upper back engage. Breathe in and then breathe out as I slowly go up. Full extension. Soften your knees again, which means slightly bend your knees. Buttocks out as you slowly lower the kettlebell, slow and steady. My kettlebell is around 10 pounds. Just not too heavy for your back. Upper back engaged. See, my back is straight. Neck, chin tuck, protect my neck. And breathe out as I fully extend. Inhale, slow and steady. This is a slow, controlled, full body workout. It's mind-body connection. Inhale. Exhale up. 3 more. Slowly go down. Soften your knees. Buttocks sticking out. Glute activated. You feel a stretch on your hamstrings a little bit. Exhale up. 2 more. Inhale. Exhale. Last one. Inhale. We're gonna hold that deadlift position. Buttocks out. Hold that position. I'm gonna slowly lift the kettlebell to your chest for a roll. Inhale. Hold that position. Exhale down. Keeping your back engaged. Inhale. Lift. Exhale down. Slow and steady. Core engaged. As you lift, you breathe out towards your chest. 3 more. 2. Last one. And 1. Slowly roll up. And now we're gonna do some side lunges. Place the kettlebell on your chest if you can. Lean on your right. As you lean to the right, you lift the kettlebell overhead to press up. Inhale. And then exhale, shift to the right. I'm stepping my left foot towards my right. Now I'm stepping to the left. As I lean to the left side lunge, extending my right knee and then pressing up Breathe out. And feet together as you lower the kettlebell back to your chest and your feet together to the left. And now I'm gonna shift right and left position. So step to the right, lunge to the right, side lunge, press up, and then center. Left, press up, center. 4 more. Left, press up, center. Last set. And down. Well done. That was intense, right, my friends? Okay, now we're gonna do some squats. So squat is a good full body workout. Feet slightly apart. You're gonna place the kettlebell on your chest level. So it's a quad dominant squat. You're gonna go all the way down as much as you can. For those who can't go all the way down, you can do half squat. This is full squat. It's like a malasana stretch yoga. So I'm placing my elbows between my thighs so I can really stretch my hips. If you're tight there, just stay half squat. If you can go all the way down, that would be great. Inhale, and then exhale, go up, and then press up again. Inhale as you go down, and then exhale up. If you're tight on your ankles, stretch them first. 2 more. Last one. Well done. Now we're gonna slowly roll down to the floor. Roll down. Let go of the kettlebell. Forward fold. Stretch your back. Glutes back. Soften your knees so you can really stretch your back as you slowly roll down. Monkey walk down to the mat to a plank position. We're gonna do a little bit stretch. Lower your knees down for a chaturanga. Place the kettlebell to the side so you have space. So for a chaturanga for beginners, lift your feet up and then slowly lower your elbows, squeezing towards your waist. Lower your chest down, slow and steady. And then upward facing dog. Slowly press your hands up, look up, and breathe out for a lovely stretch on your low back. Inhale, exhale down. Grab the mat with your toes for downward dog. Lift your knees up, hips up. Stretch your upper back. Feel the pressure and relief of your upper back stretch. Inhale. Exhale, march left and right. Stretch those calves and ankles. And then slowly go back to forward plank. Knees leveled to your hips. Let's just slowly lower your knees down for beginners. Feet on top of each other. Cross them together as you do chaturanga beginner version. Elbows pulling it towards your waist for chaturanga or triceps push-up. Slow and steady as you go down. Lower your feet down and then slowly press up, keeping your back straight and look up for upward facing dog. And inhale as you go down. Last set. Grab the mat with your toes. Lift your knees and hips up for upward facing dog. March left and right. Hamstring stretch and calf stretch. And then press up as much as you can. Press against the mat with your hands. And then lovely forward fold. Inhale. Hold that position a little bit. Lower your knees down. Cross your feet together for a chaturanga. Pull your elbows towards your waist as you lower yourself down. Slow and steady. Controlling your triceps. And breathe out. And then upward facing dog. Stretch your low back. And then lift your hips up for a lovely child pose to stretch your neck and back. And breathe out. Inhale and exhale. Now we are going to do a little bit core workout. Grab the kettlebell. We're going to place it on top of your hips for a lovely bridging with the kettlebell. Now from this position, we're going to do a lovely bridge. Place the kettlebell on your hips. Inhale. As you slowly squeeze your glutes and lift your hips up. And then slowly lift the kettlebell up for a chest press. Inhale and then exhale, lower it down gently on your top of your hips on your pelvis and slowly roll down, bone to bone down to the mat and breathe out. Again, inhale, lift your hips, tighten your glutes, tighten your core, and then press up, lift the kettlebell. Inhale, exhale down, and roll down slow and steady. 8 more. Inhale, lift, press up, inhale, and down. 7. We're almost done, my friends. You guys did amazing today. Press up, down, exhale. 6 more. 5 more. 4 more. 3. 2. And last one, my friends. And 1. Whew, that was beautiful. Place the kettlebell to the side. We're gonna stretch and cool down slowly. We're gonna start with pure form stretch by placing one foot on top of the other thigh, opposite side, to a figure 4 stretch, and press your knee out and open that hips. Inhale, exhale, side to side stretch. Shift your body weight left or right to stretch your back slow and steady. Feels so good on your hips. Inhale, exhale. Now switch to the other side. Right ankle on top of the opposite side of my thigh, figure 4. Push my knee out with my hands, and then shift my body weight left and right. Rock side to side. Feels so good on your hips. And now we're gonna do butterfly stretch. Feet together. Reach for your feet if you can, and pull it towards you. Feel that hip groin stretch as we cool down your hip groin. We really targeted those areas. As you exhale it out. Now grab your big toes as much as you can to lift your feet up, facing up to the heavens for a happy baby pose, and then rock side to side. Now hug your knees to your chest, stretch your glutes and your knees. You worked so hard today. You guys did amazing. And that's it. I'm hoping you enjoyed my full body workout. Great for women over 50 years old and even those who are younger. If you want to do a gentle workout today, you can join me. Especially for women, we need to keep our bones, muscles strong and healthy as we age. And you don't want to lose those muscles, lose the bone mass by not lifting weights. And when you lift weights, not just your Pilates and yoga, as a body workout is good for you, but if you added extra weight, you're going to help your muscles and bones to keep being resilient and strong to prevent any fracture or loss of bony mass as we get older, as you started having menopause. And that's when your estrogen declines, and that's when things happen. When you fall, you ended up with a fracture easily, and we don't want that. When you keep your body even 3 times a week of a gentle 20-minute workout, is evidence-based science, is all you need to keep to build muscles and to keep them strong and healthy with proper nutrition, diet, eating protein, and all well-balanced diet. I'm hoping you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, suggestions, or concerns, leave a comment down below. And if you need my guidance, support, and help, as I will be closing my back masterclass this weekend. For those with back pain, weak core, poor posture, and you need my gentle support and guidance with Zoom meeting calls, leave a comment down below. Or if you're interested, direct message me or click the link on the description below and be part of my early bird waitlist. If you're not ready this year, you can always join me by 2024. I'll be opening it again on that year for New Year's resolution. Again, thank you again for watching me. And if you have more time today, I have a lovely workout for another full body workout. And if you want to join this today or for tomorrow, and another one with elastic band for 50 years old women and over. Until my next video training, always remember, be safe, be well, and healthy you. Bye!